Percy is just getting over his cold, but I'd still keep a 6-foot distance to avoid incidents like this.
Name Brittany, cabin 13, date 02-19-24. Time, afternoon. Details of incident.
Percy and I were training on the beach when he sneezed and I got soaked. You may ask, why is this a big deal? Well, the weather barrier is still on the fritz, so water plus cold equals hypothermia. But at least hypothermia is better than zombification, I think.
Name Sarah, cabin 7, date 02-20-24. Time 6-ish. Details of incident.
One of the zombie spiders bit me and now my leg is starting to decay. Cabin 13, I know this technically isn't your fault, but if you could head over to the infirmary to help out